how to send Bitcoin on Kraken app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin using the Kraken app. First, I'll open the Kraken app. Once you're in your account, go to your portfolio. Right here, as you can see, I own about 10 euros worth of Bitcoin. Now I want to transfer this to another exchange I use called Bitbavo. To do this, just click on your Bitcoin balance, then tap the three dots in the top right and click withdraw. Here you need to select the same network that the other exchange uses. To find this, open up your other exchange, go to your Bitcoin wallet and make sure you go to the deposit section for Bitcoin. Here you can see the network you can choose. For me, it's the Bitcoin network. The exchange confirms that this asset uses the Bitcoin network, so I'll click understood. Right here I have my Bitcoin address for the Bitcoin network. I'm going to copy my Bitcoin address now and then go back to Kraken. Here in Kraken, I can choose either the Bitcoin or the Lightning network. Since the other exchange uses the Bitcoin network, I need to use the Bitcoin network here as well. I'm going to click Bitcoin, then I'll choose how much I want to send. I'll just select all of the Bitcoin I have on this account. Next to withdraw to, click the little icon on the right and then you can add a new address. I'll just paste the address in here and click next. Now you can add a description or a name for this address. I'll just call it Bitvavo since that's the name of the other exchange. I'll click next, make sure this is all correct and click save and continue. Next, you need to confirm the Bitcoin address through your email account. I'm going to open Gmail. Here I have an email to confirm the new withdrawal address. I'll click confirm address and as you can see the address is now approved. I'm going to go back into the Kraken app now. Here I can click review. Make sure this is all correct, the right amount, the right address and the right network. Otherwise you will lose your money. If it's all correct, I'll swipe to confirm and now the withdrawal has started. It will take some time to transfer, but that's how you send Bitcoin on the Kraken app.